everyone, this is Anjali and today I am finally opening my Flipkart boxes. But before I do that, I want to share something with you. I was on a book buying ban from last year. For almost like 10 months, I didn't buy a book. Because my belief was, if you're not learning from the books you have, then what is the point of having them? I was having too many books and I was not reading them. I was just keep buying and I think that is not fruitful. If you have one book and you are learning through it, you are growing through it, then that's enough. So I just kept myself on ban for like 10 months and then these happened. Now let's start because I was waiting for so long to open these boxes and now here they are. Let's start with this one. It's the smallest one and I have this. Wow, I'm so happy right now. I'm opening my boxes. So here's the book. Nice Girls Don't Get the Corner Office. It's really properly packed and here it is. It's a non-fiction book, and yes, there is also one thing that I wanted to tell you is that I didn't buy any fiction books because I don't know, I just love non-fiction and I love spiritual books. I've read a lot of spiritual books and they helped me a lot in my spiritual journey. So I thought that I should, I don't know, I just focus on non-fiction and spiritual books. And the next is this. It says Piss Puss Boom from Flipkart. Okay, let's open another box. It's the bill and oh my god, this is so beautiful. It is Make Love Not Scars, a story of fighting back and winning. It's again a non-fiction book. Now let's open this one. It has bookmarks, I guess. I don't think it has bookmarks. It's The Girl Who Climbed Everest. Lessons Learned Facing Up to the World's Toughest Mountain. Again, a non-fiction. And bill and stuff. Now let's open this one. That color is really beautiful. See again. This is the book I have been waiting to read for so long. It's Adiyogi, The Source of Yoga by Sadhguru. This is so beautiful. And it has the bookmarks. Now let's open this one. It's again by Sadhguru. It is Emotions and Relationships. Like this. Emotions, Relationships. It's 2-in-1 book. And see. From this side and it's from that side too. Wow, this is so interesting. I thought I have ordered 2 books on such a low price. This is creative. And it has no bookmarks again. This is something heavy. I seriously can't tell you the feeling of satisfaction I am getting from opening these boxes. the bill, and it has two bookmarks. Both are the same, like fist, fuzz, boom. What is Flipkart doing? Now it is, I hope, a signed copy. Let's see if it's, because it has mentioned that it will be a signed copy. It is How to Become Rich, 12 Lessons I Learned from Vedic and Puranic Stories by Devdutt Patnaik. Let's hope it's a signed copy. See, it's matte. It's really beautiful. And it has this. Wow. Oh, the map of becoming rich. See? It's like this. So you remember this map. It's really good. And it's not a signed copy. As mentioned by the Flipkart. Flipkart, this is really sad. You should not do this. It's seriously sad, yaar. And it has again and it's a hardcover. This is the book I really wanted to read for so long. It is Being Reshma. See, it's a hardcover. Let's open this too. It has photographs. But see, it's so beautiful. It's matte and it's just lovely. It is a story of an acid attack survivor, Reshma Qureshi. It's so beautiful. The book. Now let's open this one. Wow. It's again a hardcover. It has a bookmark, but it's kind of damaged. It says, "Knock knock, who's there? Nobody, it's just the thriller you are reading." It's really good, but it's little damaged. It is An Ordinary Men's Guide to Radicalism. It is Growing Up Muslim in India. I just bought this because it is hardcover and it is non-fiction and its price was really low. Let's open this too. Wow. Wow, this is, hey, they have made some kind of doodle here. I hope you can see it. It's good. Now, let's open this one. I am having a slight idea what this is. Let's see. It's again a non-fiction. The packaging is really good. It says, the book is little damaged from here. It says you are a badass, how to stop doubting your greatness and start living an awesome life. By Jen Sincero. I hope I pronounced it right. It's glossy. It's glossy. The first book. And it has no new bookmarks. I am seriously in doubt with this one as the box is already a little damaged. I am seriously hoping the book is good. The book is okay. This is the gift from one of my friends. I forgot about it. I literally forgot about it, and it was a surprise. Like, why a romantic book? I really have a question for you. Why a romantic book? Her Last Wish by Ajay K. Pandey, and he has also written You Are the Best Wife. Like, I seriously don't read romantic, and okay, it's again Knock Knock, Who's There? A romantic book, seriously. Only 2 boxes are there. Let's open this one first. It's again a book that I wanted to read for so long, and it's again by Sadhguru. Oh, it's 2 books. It's Inner Engineering, A Yogi's Guide to Joy. It's beautiful. Let's open it too. It's matte. It's good. Now, the second book, it again has the same bookmark, Who's There, Knock Knock. So there, and again a non-fiction book. It's Girl Wash Your Face by Rachel Hollis. Let's open this one too. I seriously cannot wait to read all of these books. It also says stop believing the lies about who you are so you can become who you were meant to be. It's a non-fiction and its title is really catchy. Girl Wash Your Face. I will, and let's see what happens. Now the last box. You know, I am seriously happy. I seriously cannot explain this satisfaction of opening all these boxes. I literally don't want this experience to end. And if you're a bookworm and you have done this before, you know the feeling. It has a new bookmark other than Fistful's Boom. It has how much do you like this book on a scale of 1 to 10, and it has a scale. It's Creative Flipkart. It's again a bill. It's a hardcover non-fiction. It's Get Better at Getting Better by Chandramouli Venkatesan. Let's open this too. It's glossy and so beautiful. It's so white. It has grey color here. This is my first grey book in hardcover collection. Now the last book of my Flipkart haul. It's the book that I really need, as it is a financial book, and this is like second book on money that I am going to read. It's Let's Talk Money. You have worked hard for it, now make it work for you. It's by Monica Halan. Let's open this too, as this is the last book. So these are the books that I bought from Flipkart. Now once again I am saying, it does not matter the number of books you have if you're not gaining anything from it, if you're not growing through it. if you have one book and you are going through it, then that's enough. And I read a lot of non-fiction, a lot of spiritual books, as you have seen. Please recommend me any fiction book that I can buy in this sale that is going on Flipkart, so I can read something new. Now, thanks a lot for again supporting me, for make me reach to 1K. I am really grateful to all of you who are a part of my journey, who help me grow, who give me feedback, or you just support me by watching my videos. Thanks a lot. I'm really grateful and happy reading, and keep growing. Thank you. Bye bye.